original, girl, you want a replica. No. Smoothie, no regular. No. Make it for real, I'm pretty from my cellular. No. You won't say you're hot. No.
They never had a pretty girl from Joburg to me now, and that's what they prefer. I don't touch no wheel, cause I got a chauffeur. So that's how I get around
like mad.
Just miss me with the drama, unless you come in with the comments. Oh, DJ turn the sound up, cause we about to pour the rounds up. Jump, 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 jump. Oh, you know I love to make it jump, jump, jump. Jump, 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 back it up, up. You know I love to make it jump, 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 jump. You know I love to make it jump, jump, jump.
Let me find pass. Show me your favorite ride. Let me see what they are wearing.
Somebody give me, somebody tell me the answers. Me and you isn't the answer. Me and you isn't. Maybe I'm telling myself that, but there ain't nothing that'll change that. What good would it be if I knew how you felt about me? Yeah. It could have been right, but I was wrong.
Guys, welcome back to my YouTube. I'm in Cape Town right now, and we have a special guest. I'm gonna show you guys later. So you guys, I told you guys I have a special guest for you.
Special guest.
Hi guys. Welcome to the vlog. So these are special guests.
I'm shy.
Anyways, let's not talk much. See y'all later. Bye. Oh, I'm working short hair. So cute.
Giving 90s bodies.
What's up on the time? When I just try, when I drop a song.
Hi guys, meet Atinuke.
Guys, she keeps calling me that name when she knows it is Tinola. I don't know why she does that.
Well, I prefer Tinuke.
Welcome to Cape Town,
Period.
When I drop a song, I go need to dance. I could get it, to do my price. When I find the sound, I'm on the sound. I know get the name, I know sing the sound. Sound, I'm on the sound. I want the precise.
Hi.
How are you?
How long is it gonna take us to get there?
Hi YouTube.
Mama leave me, yeah, you know long. Lost myself and I found my purpose. Yeah, every day I know that I am blind. So tight because you love me. Yeah, they can do me.
With the look of things, I think we are too late. But yeah, but I think she's trying to work something out for us. Hopefully, we get to do it today. Or our money is gone. Hi.
These kind of things in our life.
Put your head. That's it? Oh, sorry. Oh my gosh. So, get that close to your mouth, okay? Okay. Thank you. Sure.
Rise and shine. How are you guys? Let me show you my outfits. We're going to have breakfast and just, be around the city today. Hi guys, how are you doing? Thank you. Let me see your outfits. Okay. Okay, this is my mother should know, but yeah, this is my outfit for today, and we're just doing some. What do we didn't say? We're just going to have coffee and walk around the city. Yeah, come with us. Yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to the Pretty Luna series. Anyways, you guys won't believe what happened. The alarm went off. And I usually sleep naked. Just imagine how I just stood up from the bed and ran out. I ran from the bed, wore something, and I just ran downstairs, only for the guy to tell me that it was the false alarm. What? Bro, like my mind was just all over the place. My gosh, I was so scared because what the heck, my properties and everything. Anyways, actually I needed a sign to leave this building because I was in the elevator one day and I saw some like I saw some dead people that gosh. Anyways, I didn't think much about it, but I just started feeling weird. And I was just thinking, and I asked God, please give me a sign. Should I stay here or should I leave? And I think this is a sign to leave this building. Like, I just hate moving. I just hate packing. I hate it so much. That's why I did not want to move initially. But after what happened this morning, I'm moving. I'm getting my ass out of here. So I'm moving to another building, and I got like a 2-bed because I need space, man. This apartment is really nice. I'm gonna miss the space. Goodbye, my lover. Goodbye, my friend. I'm gonna miss this view, but I'll show you guys my new view. I don't like staying in any apartment that doesn't have a beautiful view like this. I love looking at something. I love looking. Anyways, I'm gonna miss this place. I'm packed and ready to go. But everything happens for a reason. I'm going to a bigger place, so it's a win-win for me. So we're moving to our new apartment. I'll show you guys when I get there. See you. One last mirror selfie before we leave.
You don't pack your things.
Which this?
Pack your things that.
I love my new apartment. It's so chic, and I can see the whole Cape Town from my building, literally from my room and from my living room. It's so cute, guys. So cute. Hi guys, welcome to my Living Alone series. My babe has traveled. She's gone back to the UK, and it's just me here now. I can't find my mic, and honestly, I think I misplaced it. One of those things I went out. I don't remember because I can't find it. I've checked everywhere, and it's nowhere to be found. So I'm trying to order another one. Gosh, like I'm so hot right now. I'm sad, but there's literally nothing I can do.
From Monday to Friday, 9 to 5. And
I don't know, how's the sound? No?
good afternoon, hi.
Hi, good afternoon. I'm trying to order DJI mic.
Okay.
Thank you. I'll be expecting the call. Thank you.
It will phone you. Have a nice day.
You
Bye.
too. Bye. Gosh. Fuck me, man. Did I even misplace this shit? Anyways, I'm going to the gym. Let me go out, pour my frustration in the gym. I've not worked out since I got here. That's
That's really bad. Because I work out almost every day. Oh my God. Calm down, calm down, calm down, calm down. You got this, you got this, you got this. Supposed to go have lunch. Supposed to go have lunch after. But now my mood is ruined and I'm spending money. I hate spending money. Bye. Welcome back to my Pretty Luna series. I don't know what these people are doing upstairs. They woke me up with this their construction sound. And I find that really annoying. I don't like when people wake me up from my sleep. Anyways, I had fun last night. I made a new friend. And we went out. Where did we even go? I don't remember. I think somewhere called Halo. It was so nice. It was white people's club. It was so nice. I had so much fun. You can see I slept with my makeup. I freaking slept with my makeup on. Like, I was so tired. Immediately I got in my apartment, I just passed out. Can you hear that sound? Why? Anyways, what are we doing today? Like, I'm just so lazy. I have a list of things I want to do, but I just keep procrastinating. Probably because they are like dangerous things and I'm trying to prepare myself mentally and physically for them. I want to go hiking. I want to go skydiving. I want to do all of that, but I'm still trying to prepare myself. I'm scared. Anyways, as usual, we're gonna arrange the apartment. Let me open. We're going to arrange. Oopsie. The babies were popping out. My friends are coming around. Yay! Imagine I've been here for over a week and I've not seen my friends. Actually, they traveled for one of my friends' birthdays. So they just got back. So I'm seeing them today. Yay! Let's fix this apartment because y'all, I've lost weight. Please don't mind my look. I look crazy. I know. I'm gonna fix myself soon. Okay? So don't judge me. Yesterday was so spontaneous. Nothing was planned, and I love nights like that. Nights like this, I just want to take you back away. Whew. Anyways, I've lost weight, man. I've lost weight. I always lose weight because I barely eat, and this is what has been keeping me going. My weight gain powder, Melanin Secret weight gain powder. My ass is in check. Everything is in check because this powder is keeping me going. It has everything, even though I do not eat. Yeah. So I'm gonna have some of these powder. Or maybe I should just arrange this place. I will be back, guys.
The Olympics.
You guys.
Well, if you can see the Olympics, the weather's good. I can see the Olympics from my window.
I was supposed to go shower then. I just went on my phone and I saw a video. And the video is making me cry so much. So, the video... Oh gosh, I'm such a clown. The video is about a guy. In August 2018, Richard Bimbo Russell was 29 years old and he was a service agent at Seattle Airport. And he got on a plane. He's not a pilot. And he's not a pilot. He doesn't know how to fly a plane. He just got on the plane and flew the plane. Well, he was a good person. He did not fly it around people because obviously he knew it was going to crash and he knew it was going to dismiss this earth.
And you were just talking about how he was lost. And he was talking to the other guy because somebody called him while he was flying and he was talking. He was just, it's a long video. He said he's a broken guy. If feels cool. It's just so sad because like mental health is no joke. Imagine somebody going on a plane. He's not a pilot, he doesn't know how to fly a plane. He actually flew the plane to like the Olympics. He was just looking at different views of different places, like empty places. Oh, that's actually a very exquisite way to exit this world. But still, mental health is no joke. He had a wife and I don't know if he had kids. That was so sad. It made me cry so much. Mental health matters. Like, if you have any friend, family, anybody around you that that's sad, that has mental health issues, just be there for them because it's no joke. It's really no joke. Be kind, spread love. I'm going to shower now. See ya. Hi guys, I've showered now. Like, these people are making so much noise. I think I'm going to, even though I report what they're going to do, let me just let them do. Anyways, I've showered now. I look squeaky clean. Yeah. Waiting for my friends. I want to go eat. I'm so hungry. Like, these girls told me they're coming an hour ago and they're still not here. Nigerians. Anyways, yeah. I'm just wasting time. I'm supposed to do an activity today. I'm just wasting my time doing nothing. It's crazy. Anyways, bye. So I'm going to take pictures. I finally decided to take pictures for Instagram. I'm going out now. I'm meeting up with my friends. Are still coming, so we'll just go have lunch. And my photographer guy is coming, so we're just going to have lunch. Then I'll go to the mall to shop some makeup products because everything is done. Yeah, this is not a makeup tutorial, so I'll come back when my makeup is done and when my outfit is complete. Daddy stink like mad. That's my bitch, that's my bitch, that's my bitch, that's my bitch. What?
Guys. Oh God. Celebrity, I will see you for the information of
You did Chris.
We should go to come.
Hi, welcome back to my Pretty Loner series. Guys, I'm always late to everything. I'm always rushing to everything. Well, I promise to change next year. So
I'm going for this rum. I'm going to this rum place where they make rum. Basically, just they will show me around the factory. Like, can you see these people are still milking? Gosh, these people are still making that noise since yesterday. That's so unfair because I don't complain. Like, what's this? Makes no sense, literally. Anyways, yeah, basically take me around their factory and yeah, I'll take you guys along. So this is my fit. See my dress. See my dress. Let me find pass. Show me your favorite ride. Let me see what they are wearing. Anyways, let's go. Isn't it iconic that I'm wearing blue? I'm wearing blue and somehow my car is blue. It's iconic. Hi.
Hello.
Hola.
Yeah.
Oh my God. I don't know. He's taking it through the back route. Oof.
So just in case you or your friends are interested,
Yeah.
we have pole dancing classes.
Oh.
Ladies are learning how to
What time?
pole.
What time is it?
Anytime.
Anytime.
You buy it, they will tell you exactly.
Okay, I'll just get your details then. Because I would love to do that.
Is it?
Yeah.
So this is a cake of stones.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Hi. Hi. I had I'm fine. I had the booking, but I'm kind of late.
Once again, you welcome at Episode1 Distillery.
Thank you.
So I will help you with your rum tasting. We do have 3 rums here.
Yeah. So they can hear you.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay. We do have 3 rums here at Episode1. The first one is a great white rum. The second one is oak infused, and the last one is fine botanical rum. Okay. Our rums are double distilled. Only this one is triple distilled. But when we're making a triple, 3 times distilled, and this one double distilled. The great white rum, it's just a normal rum, like Bacardi, if you know rum. Yeah, do you know rum?
No, I don't know much.
Okay. All right. When we're doing our rum, we use molasses, water, and yeast. That's the best for our rum. Others, they use sugarcane juice. If you say you don't know rum, then you won't know.
Yeah.
But you are here to know.
Exactly.
Yes, that's what we use when we're making our rum. Molasses is just a sticky substance. It's dark in color, like blackish. It's from sugarcane.
Okay.
That's the only thing that we use here when we're making rum. And yeast and water. Only these 3.
Wow.
Yeah. Okay, let's go for it. That's the first one.
Okay.
This one here.
Yeah.
So, yes. No, you can start with the small one. All of it is just a small one. It's just.
So let me just put this.
Alright, problem? Yes. Yeah. Yeah, just drink it once. That's the great white. If you need water, that's a glass of water there. That's the
This is
yeah. You can clean your palate. Drink, drink water. Drink water. Yes. Yeah. That one. The last one. You can pour in there. Yes. You can clean your mouth, clean your palate. Then you go to the second one. That's the oak one. Yes.
This one is.
Yes. Yes.
I like this one.
You like this one?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you like whiskey? And
Yeah.
where are you from?
Nigeria.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So let me try this.
Okay. That's the fine botanical.
I think I prefer this too.
You prefer this one?
Yeah. I prefer this to this.
So this is your favorite and this one?
Yeah. Yeah. Both are my favorite.
Yeah, so this one, it has like Coke in it. I mix already. This one, they have mixers. I don't want to kill you with neat ones. There is Coke in this one, ginger ale in the oak, and there is flavored berry water in the last one. So you can enjoy them with mixers. You can add ice if you want. It's up to you.
Okay. Let me try this.
Yes. Yeah. Okay, no problem. Okay, no problem. Oak infused with ginger ale.
Oh my god.
I love it.
Yeah, I love it. It's so good.
Yeah, it is. It's nice, eh?
Very
Then to drink it neat.
Very nice. And so smooth.
Yeah. All right. Okay, while enjoying your drinks, I just want to finish up what I was doing this side, but I don't want to be like
Okay, no problem. Just
on your face.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
I will just tell you the prices just in case you need to stop one
Okay.
or two or three.
And this one's?
Okay, this one is 275. 335, 335, 335, 315.
Yeah. I'll think about it.
Think about it, I'll be back.
Okay.
Alright.
So good. Okay.
Fermentation we do here. Then tank over here. After that mixture we put in here. We've done the first one, we take out, then we put in this one. Only that this one we are cleaning it, so it's like also top. It's long like this one.
Okay.
This is the columns that I was telling you about. It's all here. These are the columns that I told you about.
Yeah.
That we are cleaning in that one. It's
Okay.
and that's the main. That's the big one that we use.
So nice.
Yeah, this one that I use when we are doing our the last one.
Okay.
We use it on the gas stove, yeah. This is the pot that we use also when we're doing the fine pot and one.
So nice. It's so clean and it smells so good.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is each some of the
For the infused.
botanicals that we use.
Yeah.
Citrus oils, their spices also over there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Yeah, OVO Sound 2025. Who's calling that shit?
Is it Stace?